In today's video we are doing a hair installation, and I will be installing for you and reviewing this beautiful gorgeous unit from Yolissa Hair. If this video is anything you're interested in, please do stay tuned. Remember to give it a big thumbs up, remember to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the comment section down below. And another disclaimer, guys, there's a lot going on in this video because I lost part of the footage, so some of the clips that you're gonna see are different from the other, and we just got load shedding, so I don't have any lighting like I did in parts of the video again, but it's fine, we move. And I hope you enjoy it nonetheless. Let's get right into it. Started, you guys, and please don't mind my lighting. The sun is sort of up and down. 1 minute it's in the clouds, 1 minute it's not, so you are gonna see like it's happening now. It's brightening up a bit, but I'm gonna try and work with it. So this is the second time I'm installing this hair. With my first footage, unfortunately I misplaced the memory card. Yeah. I have no idea where it is, so I had to basically redo the whole thing, which is why you're seeing a difference between some of the footage, but it's fine, we move. So this hair, I've already cut off the lace obviously in the previous video that I did, but what I've gone to do now is to just prep the hair. I've washed it, I cleaned my lace because I did use it previously. I cleaned the lace, and then I just flattened it with mousse at the top here, so I didn't even use a hot comb. I just straightened it with laid it flat with mousse while it was wet, and I've added mousse as well to the curls, which is why they ended up so defined. At the end we are going to spritz a bit of water just so the curls can come alive again. But yeah, that's all you need with curly hair. I'd say water, conditioner and mousse, and you're good to go, and just a tad bit of oil as well, just so the hair has, you know, a bit of that shine. Okay, so to install this hair, I want this video to actually be just a beginner friendly. I'm not gonna do the whole, you know, glue, like I'm not gonna make it too much of a fuss. I'm gonna try my best to make it beginner friendly. So all I'm gonna use is this holding spray by Glamour Beauty. I got this from Take a Lot. It has extreme hold, so I highly recommend it over the Got to Be glued. I have been liking it so far, and I saw this trick that I am going to try, which is spraying my lace on the inside before we pop it on, or before we spray my head. So that's what I'm gonna do here. I'm just trying to like flip it over without making too much of a mess. See, flip it over like that, flip it over, and then we are gonna spray literally on the edge a lot of the holding spray. This apparently makes it dry so much quicker, and then you also don't have to do the whole gel thing as well when you do this. Okay, perfect. And okay, I'm not too sure if you're supposed to spray it on your head first, but I am not gonna do that. I'm just gonna pop it on. Let's try. See, the thing about wig installations is it's trial and error. Like, just keep practicing, it gets better. I feel like with me as well, the more wigs that I install, the better it gets. And there's some installations that are like, you know, really bomb, you know, I'm proud of myself, I did it so well. And then there's some installations where I'm just like, girl, what was going on? Yeah, so just keep trying it. I feel like it gets better every time, and you sort of like learn techniques as you go. Like this I saw on TikTok and I'm trying it out now. Probably not the best time to try it out while I'm doing an installation video, but anyway. And this is an HD lace, you guys. If I didn't mention in the previous clips, I'm making such a mess. I am gonna go in with my hair dryer, hopefully just to dry this up.
You're my sunflower. You're my sunflower.
Then I'm gonna take the back of my rat tail comb and just press that down.
You're my sunflower. You're
Okay, so the girlies that are installing their wigs with just spray are the goats, because wow, what a hot mess. But I think I have it stuck down now. I'm just gonna go in with my blow dryer over the elastic band. I did put an elastic band over it. And guys, I am racing against the clock because we have load shedding in the next 15 minutes. So yeah. Okay, so I think that should be fine for the blow dryer. So the longer you keep your headband on for, the better the mouth. So I'm just gonna keep it on for a little longer while I spritz my hair with water. And I don't need to put any products because I've done that when I was prepping the wig. Another thing that is really important is, I feel like for a nice clean install, you need to prep your hair. So you need to bleach your knots, you need to customize your wig, you need to customize your hairline, and I feel like for curly hair as well, you need those dramatic baby hairs. I'm sorry, for me personally, that's what like makes the hairstyle really bomb, is if you have like, you know, the dramatic baby hairs that we are gonna do. So yeah, those are the key things that I would say makes for a flawless install. And I obviously did bleach my knots with this hair. I didn't record that bit because you've seen me do so a number of times, and I customized my hairline as well. It was pretty dense in the front because this is 180% in density, so the hairline was pretty dense, but I just went in here and there and plucked it. And another thing is, I really like how small the knots of the lace frontal are, meaning they were quite easy to bleach and to pluck as well. The only con I would say with this hair is that it sheds. It sheds quite a bit, but also that is just the nature of curly hair. So yeah, if you're interested, as per usual, I'll leave everything for you down below with all the links, the details, and I think I should have a discount code. I'm not too sure. If I do, it will definitely be down below. So yeah, let's spritz this hair and get this install over and done with. Going in with a water bottle, just make sure nothing electronic is in the way, and simply just like spritz the hair. Don't run your fingers through it too much, because again, you will experience lots of shedding. And I would put conditioner on, but because I already have mousse and I put curl cream from Moroccan oil before. I don't need to do so because I'm just reviving the curls. Do you guys see how those literally just like bounce back? I love it. I love curly hair. And this is all you ever need to do to maintain curly hair, you know? The less the fuss, the better the curls, I feel like. I'm also gonna take my white tooth comb and just I prefer to comb it from the bottom just to get through any knots without breaking the hair. So you start at the bottom and then just work your way up. And you can also go in with mousse just to define the curls a bit more. I think my ends need more water. So you just keep spraying until you're satisfied with how your curls are looking. Pretty simple, right? See there? Nice bouncy water wave hair. If you want to keep this wet look, you can also go ahead and use mousse that is like a holding, that has a bit of a hold to it, and that will keep like this wet look. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Iso Plus spritz. Highly recommend, always. And it's always better to spray some at the back of your hand and then just go over the parts like that, or even your finger actually, and just put that all over, because if you spray this on your hairline, it's gonna make the glue or the spray that you've already used to hold it down lift. So you don't want that, obviously. Just go in the areas where you feel like needs spritz and just keep applying it gently. Okay. Okay, electricity is gone, guys, but thank God it is nice and bright outside. So we're just gonna use natural lighting, but we're done. The only thing I'm gonna do now is my baby hairs. Like I said, you want something very dramatic. I prefer very dramatic baby hairs when I have curly hair on. I think it just looks so pretty. So what I would do first is go in with my small straightener just to curl them up, so this becomes a lot easier. But like I said, load shedding got ahead of me, so I'm just gonna use mousse. I am using this this lighting. Can you guys even see this design essentials wrapping mousse, and I just put it at the back of my hand like that, put it onto my brush, and then I'll just try to create and go easy with the mousse because you don't want it to lift the spray that you've used. See there? I think that's fine. Just do this side. Okay, so we are done melting it down, and I'm sure you guys can see better just how much an HD frontal melts. But we are going to finish it off with some makeup powder. This can obviously be whatever makeup like foundation powder that you use. Look at that, the melt, absolutely flawless. The curls are absolutely gorgeous. You see how wetting it just like revived the curls so much more. They are so like bouncy, and it's December now, so I feel like this hair is like the perfect vacation hair. It's giving island vibes. It's giving coastal, you know. And yeah, oh wait, I missed one step. I am gonna go in with my concealer there, just so that also like pops out a bit more. So this is a pretty simple step. I just go with concealer at the back of my hand, and then I'll put some on the brush, and then I'll just literally like go over the line that is already there, you know, just to make it more like visible and defined like that. Do you see how much of a difference that makes? And then I'm just gonna go in with my spritz over it, just so it can blend it a bit better. And voila! I believe we are finished with our install, guys, and this is what we are looking like. Absolutely love it. I don't know if you guys can see the hair nicely there, but it has so much movement. It is very thick. Again, I will leave all the details in the description box. Please do check it out. Highly recommend this hair. It's very lovely, it's very beautiful, and of course I truly do appreciate that it is an HD lace frontal. Thank you so much to Yolissa Hair for working with me in today's video. I absolutely love this hair, and this will definitely be my vacation hair from now on, you know. Absolutely love it. Water wave, very easy to, you know, manage, maintain. The install was very quick, and of course an HD lace always blends in beautifully. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.